Hey salam, I hope you guys are well. Halal Chef is back for another video, and this time I'm making delicious and fluffy pancakes. I'm gonna serve these pancakes with fresh strawberries, blueberries and maple syrup. These are one of the best pancakes that you will ever try. Pancakes are best for breakfast and lunch. Trust me, you're really gonna enjoy this recipe. Without further ado, let's get started. Halal Chef presents. For the pancake mixture, we're gonna start with one large egg. Crack this open. Break the egg yolk and give this a mix. Just a slight mix. Now add in the melted butter. Gentle mix again. Now add in the whole milk. A good touch of vanilla extract gives it a really nice flavor. Give this a mix and combine the ingredients. Alright, now we're gonna start with our dry ingredients. First of all, I'm gonna add in the sugar. It's best to dissolve your sugar into this mixture. Give this a mix. Now the sugar is optional. It just adds a bit of sweetness to our mixture. You don't have to use it. If you want, you could substitute it with honey or any other sweetener if you like. Now you want to sift through the flour. Baking powder. Now if you want super fluffy pancakes, you need to get your baking powder and baking soda right. That's my 3rd teaspoon of baking powder, and here is the baking soda. And a good touch of salt as well. Now sift that through. Just add some at a time, alright? I'm gonna give this a mix. Just to ensure, there's no lumps. And the mixture is nice and smooth. Add rest of the flour in there. And give this a mix. Now you don't want it too thick or too runny, alright? I'm not sure if you can see, but the consistency of this is perfect. This is exactly what you're looking for. Should be able to coat your spoon. Our pancake mixture done. Let the pancake mixture rest for around 20 to 25 minutes. This will really enhance the flavor. Turn the heat to low medium. Let the pan get nice and hot. Add a knob of butter. Let's add in our pancake batter. How much you want to add? You want to add around half a cup of that batter into there, alright? Just add it in the middle. We're gonna let these cook for around 2 to 3 minutes. When you see these bubbles are forming just like so, the air is trying to escape. So at this point in time, we're just gonna turn these around. So carefully with the help of your spatula. Now just let this cook for another minute from the other side. Bring this back to its original position. And look at that beautiful color. Amazing. You just want to start removing this onto your plate. Now carry on cooking your pancakes. Just add that in the middle. Now if your pancakes are small, obviously you don't want to cook them for so long, alright? I'm making some mini pancakes as well here. Something different. Alright, so let's plate these up. I've stacked all the pancakes in there. Just gonna add this final layer on the top. Now tell me, what do you want me to add on the top? You got the choice of strawberries, blueberries, raspberries. If you like some nuts, you can add those, bananas, any of your favorite fruit. I'm gonna go with some strawberries and blueberries. So let's add in those strawberries. some of those blueberries. I'm serving this with a bit of the maple syrup. If you want, you could also use honey. Gonna add a good touch of pistachio just here on the side. Make it look beautiful, you know. Alright guys, I'm gonna try this. Looks amazing. Let's cut through here. Are you ready? Get some of the maple syrup along with those beautiful pistachios. Bismillah. Oh man, so nice and fluffy. Oh, the maple syrup really hits you hard. The tanginess of strawberries. Like I said, one of the best pancakes that you will ever eat. Oh man, look at that. It's so rich. It's so good, trust me. With that pistachios, you get a bit of the crunch. Wow, that was amazing. You guys need to try this recipe. Any questions, do let me know. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like. Inshallah, see you next time. Until then, salam. Make for your mom, make for your dad, make for your family. Enjoy. Just melts in your mouth.